Hey guys, this is Cindy with the Easy C Productions. Welcome to my channel. So I'm excited to announce that the package that my sister signed me up for has now arrived. It is the HelloFresh meal pack. So she was able to send me a free offer and I was able to select 3 meals. And all I had to do was pay $1. Okay, so it's like, it would have been like 50 some dollars plus $6 for shipping, almost $7. But this was giving me an offer to do $1 charge and to try it out, to trial for 3 meals. So let's go get the package. Hold on. Ta-da! Super excited to try it. Did I get the door? Let me get the door. Here it is. Let's wait a bit. So let's see what's inside, guys. Come on. It's carefully packaged. See it? And it comes with some little pamphlet. Let's see. Spring Clean Eating. Fresh. HelloFresh Fresh Life 2020 issue 3. So Calorie Smart Spotlight. So it's got healthy info. Superfoods super fast. Oh, look at this. Do-it-yourself spritzers for spring. How cool is that, guys? Lime and mint, lemon and rosemary, orange and lavender. Okay. All right, so the meals that I chose are here. They give you these cards. Looks like the splash cards with instructions in the back. Easy to follow, right? Looks easy. The first meal was cherry balsamic pork chops with broccoli and thyme roasted potatoes. Look at this. It's supposed to look like that. Numb. See it? And the second one is chicken sausage and spinach ricotta ravioli. And these meals actually are supposed to be enough for 2 people. And it's got the prep time, it's got the total cooking time, and how many calories each meal has. Look at that one. That looks yummy. Instructions in the back. I'm gonna have to cook one tonight and we'll see how it goes. The next one is beef Bulgogi bowls. Beef Bulgogi bowls. I hope I'm saying that right. With carrots, pickled cucumber, and sriracha crema over jasmine rice. Ooh, that actually looks good. Yup. Num num. Okay. And it's got a little envelope. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. It's got special offers. And then we have another, looks like another little booklet. Welcome to America's #1 meal kit. That's how to get started. And questions. All right, let's get down to the nitty gritty. All right, here we go. So it's in this thermal bag. All right, and it comes with ice pack. Ooh, and it's got instructions if you want to recycle it. See? But I love to reuse, so I'm going to reuse that. All right, so it looks like this. These are part of the ingredients. Cherry balsamic pork chops. Pretty neat. Beef bulgogi bowls. Beef bulgogi, right? That sounds like it. chicken sausage, spinach, ricotta, ravioli. We'll open those in a minute. Don't forget about ingredients which may be hiding under their ice. All right, now these are the meats. And there's another pack of ice down there. Let's take these out. Yep. Let's open one of these. Okay, so for today's HelloFresh meal, I'm gonna make the beef bulgogi bowl. And let me show you what comes in it. It was super cute when I opened the bag. Hold on. Okay, so the beef bulgogi bowl comes with all these ingredients. You got your scallions, you got your cucumber, you got your white wine vinegar, shredded carrots, sesame seeds, some daisy sour cream, some sriracha hot sauce, half cup of jasmine rice, and this one is bulgogi sauce, ground beef. And then you got your card down here, which gives you all the instructions. So let's get cooking. Okay, so first task is to cook rice and prep. Wash and dry all produce in a small pot. Combine rice, 3/4 cup water, and a pinch of salt to bring to a boil, then cover and reduce to a low simmer. So we're gonna cook the rice, okay? Looks like it's asking us to cook it for 15 to 18 minutes. All right, and while I'm doing this, I have Amar prepping the cucumber. So he's gonna pickle the cucumber, which is using, so he trimmed the ends and he's using the peeler, and he's gonna make it into ribbons, which then he's gonna combine half the vinegar, so it's half teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. Okay, so we're gonna make the rice. Got the rice here. And that was, again, half cup of jasmine rice, 3/4 cup water, and a pinch of salt. And we're gonna cook this. We're gonna let it boil, and then we're gonna cook it for 15 to 18 minutes. So turn up the heat a little bit, make it boil. All right. All right, so the cucumber is shredded. We're gonna open the vinegar. I just added a little bit of salt. That looks so pretty. So we're gonna do half the vinegar and then half a teaspoon of sugar. All right, so this is 1 teaspoon, so we're gonna do half of that. We're gonna sprinkle it in here and toss it. We're gonna set that aside until it's ready to serve. And to substitute, because some people will not eat rice, we have a serving of quinoa on the side. So that'll be a substitute for those that don't want it. Okay, so the rice is starting to boil. I'm going to turn it down, cover it, and cook it for 15 to 18 minutes. Okay, so we're going to cook the carrots. That's good. And open the carrots. And we're gonna cook them for about a minute, season with salt and pepper. Cook for 1 minute, salt and pepper. Looking pretty. think, what do you think? 1 minute's done?
Yeah.
All right.
That's it?
Yeah, it's asking for the white of the scallions, so we're gonna cook until it's fragrant, and then we're gonna add the ground beef. We went ahead and added a little bit more oil. Once it starts to smell, we add the ground beef. Yep, smells good. Carrots, put the cucumber, and the rice is cooking. Added the half sesame and the rest of the vinegar. Cook for 30 seconds, and then we're going to stir in the bulgogi sauce. That smells good.
You opened it?
You can tear it more if you like. 30 seconds
All of it?
pass. Yes. We're going to put all this, and then we're going to turn down the heat. We're going to let it simmer, and then we're going to turn off the heat. So it's simmering, and turn off the heat. And then it asks for more salt and pepper, but we're going to leave that to our own plates.
You could put it if you want to.
Okay, let's put a little bit of salt. All right, got all in there. We're going to make the sriracha cream. A teaspoon at a time, because we're going to make it into a cream. I think that's more than enough water, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Looks tasty, smells good. Sorry about the noise.
What kind of bowls do we use?
Okay, so we're going to serve it. So it says fluff rice with a fork, stir in 1 teaspoon butter. We'll do it in my plate. It does ask if you want to add salt and pepper. This is to be served in 2 bowls, but since he's not eating rice, it's going to be mine. Arrange beef. Okay, so we're going to serve the beef, the carrots, and the cucumbers. Okay, there. Okay, you can use the tongs. Okay. And garnish with sesame. You don't want any? It's pretty. And go and get the scissors and cut some onion. I'm just cutting it up. Okay, and then we drizzle some sriracha sauce in it, and we can eat.
How much sriracha sauce I put? On top of all it?
Yeah, drizzle some. There you go. I guess sesame is supposed to go last, but it's okay.
What?
There. So imagine it's going to be spicy, we use the whole package.
No more? Sauce?
No, I'm good. Here you have it. I hope you guys like this video. Please, if you're interested in HelloFresh, I will have a link down below. And let's taste this. Okay, let's give this a try. I hope I don't drop it. Actually, here. It's good. This is really good, guys. Very good. So he's got the one with quinoa instead of white rice. Quinoa. Thank you for watching, and this is Cindy with EZC Productions. Until next time.